So, para sa vlog na to, ay perform natin ng experiment na view wired and wireless NIC information. So, ang objectives ng experiment na to ay to identify and work with PC NICs and then identify and use the system tray network icons. So, para sa background and scenario, this lab requires you to determine the availability and status of the network interface cards or NIC on the PC that you use. Windows provides a number of ways to view and work with your NICs. In this lab, you will access the NIC information of your PC and change the status of these cards. So, ang required resources natin ay Windows PC na may 2 NIC which is wired and wireless. So, para sa instructions, ayan, part 1, identify and work with PC NICs. So, sa part 1, you will identify the NIC type in the PC that you are using. You will explore different ways to extract information about this NIC and how to activate and deactivate them. So, step 1, use the network and sharing center. So, punta daw tayo sa ating control panel. Ayan. Tapos, view network status and task. Search na lang natin, view network status and task. So, ito yun. Yan. Tapos, change adapter settings. Ito. Ayan. So, after nyan, in the network connections window, the result provide a list of NIC available. So, ayan. Ito yung ating NIC. Yung Ethernet, tapos dalawang Wi-Fi adapters. So, step 2, locate the wireless network connection. If it is disabled, right-click and select Enable. So, ito, enabled naman, so hindi ko na gagawin yung step na yon. So, next ay, if the wireless network connection is not currently connected, right-click and then connect. So, connected naman, so, pakita na lang natin, ito yon, right-click, connect, and disconnect. So, pwede natin yung i-disconnect. Ito, disconnect. Tapos, i-connect ulit. Ayan. So, after nun, right-click wireless network connection and then click status. So, right-click daw, tapos status. Ayan. The wireless network connection status window displays where you can view information about your wireless connection. So, ano daw yung ating SSID or Service Set Identifier? So, ang SSID ay Fiber Home 5G. So, ayun. Ang speed ng ating wireless connection ay 390 Mbps. So, ito yun, sa speed. Tapos, click the details to display the network connection details window. So, pindutin daw natin itong details. So, ayan. What is the MAC address of your wireless? So, ang MAC address, ito siya, yung physical address. So, ito yung ating MAC address. Do you have multiple IPv4 DNS servers? If so, why would multiple DNS servers be listed? So, sa ating DNS, so isa lang naman. So, ang sagot lang natin dito ay no. Dito naman, open a Windows command prompt and then type ipconfig. So, command prompt daw, tapos type natin ipconfig/all. So, ayan. Dito, notice that the information displayed here is the same with the displayed in the network connection details. So, compare natin. Ayan. Para dito sa wireless, ito yon, Wi-Fi 2. Ang physical address niya ito. Tapos, same naman siya dito. Tapos, yung ating IPv4 address or IP address, ito. 192.168.1.6. So, ito yon, IPv4 address. Ayan. So, parehas sila. So, after nun, close na natin yung command window. Close na. Tapos, punta daw tayo sa ating Wi-Fi status window. So, exit natin ito. Tapos ito, balik tayo sa ating status. So, dito, click daw natin yung wireless properties. So, ito yun. So, ayan. So, dito, the type of security that the connected wireless router has implemented displays. Click the show characters and checkbox to to display the actual network security key. So, ipakita daw natin yung password ng ating Wi-Fi. So, punta tayo sa security. Tapos, ayan. So, ayan yung ating Wi-Fi password. So, after nun, close the wireless network properties and then Wi-Fi status window. And then, select and right-click the Wi-Fi option. Tapos, connect, disconnect. So, ito, nagawa na natin to kanina, yung na-connect and disconnect natin. So, i-skip na natin yung part na yan. So, next, to join one of the other wireless network SSID, click the SSID that you want to join. So, pinapakita lang doon na pwede doon tayo lumipat ng SSID. So, click lang natin dito. Tapos, connect lang natin. So, ayun. Nasa ibang SSID na tayo. If you have selected a secure SSID, you are prompted to enter the security key. So, hindi na ako na-prompt kasi na-enter ko na siya dati pa. So, skip ko na yung skip na to. So, step 3, work with your wired NIC. So, dito, wired naman. So, gagamit na tayo ng LAN cable. So, dito, on the network connections window, select and right-click Ethernet option to display the drop-down list of the NIC disabled. So, ito, network connections window. Yan. So, ito yung ating Ethernet. So, naka-unplug siya ngayon. Sasaksak ko siya ngayon. So, ayan. Saksak na siya. Tapos, in the status window, the results display information about your wired connection to the LAN. So, status ulit. Ayan. Tapos, click details. Ayan. Tapos, open a command window. So, ganun ulit. Command window. Tapos, ipconfig/all. So, yan. So, dito naman, pinapakita lang din na yung ating Ethernet physical address, yan, at saka yung ating IP address ay parehas dito sa ating nasa details. So, yan. Parehas sila. 192.1.68.1.11 tapos itong 88 tapos 3E yung dulo. So ayan, close na natin lahat. Sa part 2 na, identify and use the system tray network icons. So dito, step 1, use the network icon. Click the system tray, click the network icon to view the pop-up window. So ito, nagawa na rin natin to kanina. So ito yon. Ayan. Tapos, click daw natin yung network and internet. So, ito yun. Ayan. So, dito, in the settings window, click change adapter options. Under the change your network settings. So, ito yun. Change adapter options. So, ayan. Bumalik lang tayo dun sa window kanina. So, dito, pwede daw natin i-disable yung Ethernet network by disabling Ethernet adapters. So, pag ni-right-click natin to tapos ni-disable, automatic, kukonect tayo dito sa ating wireless. Kaya, ayan, yung logo natin ay wireless na. So, ayun. After nun, step 2, identify the network problem icon. In the network connections window, disable all the Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapters. So, punta tayo sa network connections. Tapos, i-disable natin lahat. Ayan. Okay. Tapos dito, the system tray now displays the network disabled icon, which indicates that the network connectivity has been disabled. So, ayan. Kaya nakalagay dito na not connected. No connections available. So, ayan. You can click this icon to return the network and internet settings. So, pwede doon natin i-click. Tapos, balik tayo sa network and internet settings. So, click natin yon. Ayan. In the network and internet settings window, click daw natin yung troubleshoot. To use the PC to resolve the network issue for you. If troubleshooting did not enable one of your NIC, then you should do this manually to restore the network connectivity. So, try daw natin i-troubleshoot. Ayan, detecting problems. Ayan, select the network adapter to diagnose. So, lalagay na lang natin all. So, ayan. lumabas dito na ang problema natin ay ang ating Wi-Fi at yung ating Ethernet ay naka-disable. So, yun. Kasi, disable natin kanina. So, try natin ayusin. Ayan. So, medyo matagal siya pero makikita naman natin na okay na. Kasi pag pumunta tayo sa change adapter options, ayan, yung isa doon sa ating NIC ay enable na niya. So, itong Ethernet. So, enable na lang ulit natin lahat. Ayan. So, balik tayo dito. Reflection question, why would you activate more than one NIC on a PC? So, ang sagot doon, mag-activate tayo ng more than one NIC kasi once na accidentally, kunyari ito, Ethernet cable, di ba? Physical cable siya. So, once na nahugot yan at wala tayong ibang naka-enable, tapos may importante tayong ginagawa or nasa klase tayo or nasa meeting, mapuputol yung ating network connection agad-agad once na nahugot yung ating cable. So, kaya naka-enable lahat yan kahit ang ginagamit lang naman natin ay itong LAN cable para nga pag nahugot siya, ayun, may backup, pupunta dito or magko-connect ito ating wireless. So, subukan natin yun. Makikita natin, ayan. Kiklik ko to. Ayan. Tapos, network and internet settings. So, ayan, makikita natin, dalawa yung naka-enable or dalawa yung naka-connect. Itong wireless at itong wired. So, ngayon, i-demo natin siya. Ngayon, hugutin ko yung aking Ethernet cable. So, makikita nyo, mawawala itong Ethernet. Tapos, automatic magko-connect siya dun sa ating wireless. So, hindi nakat yung ating internet connection. So, useful yun pagka, yun nga, nasa importanteng pagkakataon tayo. So, yun yung sagot sa ating reflection question. So, yun lang. Thank you.